Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this bronzy, smoky glam look right here. It was highly requested on my Twitter. I put a poll out and you guys answered, and this is the outcome. So if you want to find out how I created this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take this shade right here. I believe this is called Shooting Star. What I'm going to do is just put this all over my lid. Just my base shade. And now I'm just going to take another fluffy brush from Spectrum brushes. As I mentioned before, loving these brushes. And now what I'm going to do is just take this shade right here, and this is called Potion. And what I'm going to do with this is just blend this into my crease. These shades are so pigmented. I'm just going to blend that up towards my eyebrow. Deepen it up a little bit more in my outer corner, like so. And now I'm just going to take another fluffy brush and I'm going to dip it into this deep brown shade right here, and this is called Owlfish. And what I'm going to do is just build this up into my outer corner and just slowly bring it into the crease. Seriously missed not doing videos this week because obviously I had a cold sore and I just was like, I can't go on camera with that. I just felt really uncomfortable. So now it's gone, I can finally do videos and I'm so happy because I like to do 3 videos a week and I couldn't do my videos, so. But hopefully now I'm back to my normal schedule, which is all good. I'm just going to check the fluffy brush that I had Potion on, and I'm just literally going to blend that into my crease again, just to get rid of any harsh lines between that shade and Owlfish. And now I'm just going to take a flat brush and spritz it with some Prep and Prime, like so. And I'm going to dip it into this shade right here. And this is called Twinkle. I really hope I'm getting these shades right because the last time that I did a video using this palette, I didn't. And fortunately someone commented below and told me that I was telling you guys the wrong shades. So I do apologise for that. But I was just reading it wrong, so oh well. So I'm just going to take that flat brush and I'm literally just going to apply that shimmer shade all over my lid. I like to apply it with the flat brush first and then I go back in using my finger and just pat it on, but I'll show you what I mean. It's just because I like to get a base first and then apply it with my finger just to deepen it up. I always find with Colourpop shades it is better to work with them like that because otherwise you just don't get the payoff that you want. But this is just such a beautiful shade. It's a really nice bronzy shade. Because I put a poll out on Twitter and asked you guys what colour you'd like me to use next. You guys said like a bronzy shade, so I was like, bronze it is, guys. Bronze it is. So now that's on there with my brush, I'm just going to take my finger and dip it into the same shade. You can see on my finger, and I'm literally just going to go over the top and just pat it in. Just to get a bit more on my lid. And then I'm just going to take the fluffy brush that had Owlfish on, and I'm not going to add any extra product, but I'm just going to put that back into my outer corner just to get rid of any harsh edges between that shade and the shimmer shade. I'm literally just going to smoke out the outer corner just a little bit more, like so, as you can see. And now what I'm going to do is just take this smaller brush and I'm going to dip it into Potion again, and I'm just going to put this underneath my lower lashes. And then I'm going to dip into that dark brown shade Owlfish and just go over the top just to smoke it out a little bit more. I'm going to bring that up and I'm literally just going to pat over the deep brown shade just in my outer corner. So, just so it's a little bit more smoky. And then I'm going to take this thin pointed brush And I'm just going to dip it into the shimmer shade and just put it in my inner corner a bit more. And now I'm just going to take some black liquid liner. This is by Sleek Makeup. I'm just going to follow my lash line and just create like a thin line. I'm going to try and zoom in and do this on camera, but it's probably not going to be easy. Just take it slowly so you can actually get a really thin line. And now I'm just going to apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be back on camera to show you the finished look. So that's it guys, this is the finished look. I'm not too sure about the lipstick, but I don't mind it. I just don't know whether I would like it with this again. Unsure, I don't know. But loved how the eye look turned out. I think it's great. I always find it difficult with lipstick, obviously at the moment because of my Invisalign. The pains of trying to get your teeth fixed. It's getting easier and easier to create different looks for you guys, and I'm really enjoying the process. And I feel like I'm learning a lot, so it's awesome. So, good stuff. I hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post Sunday, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.